Hello, my name is Giulia Neri, and this is my lesson on translating shapes. I will be using this example, and we are given that triangle CDE undergoes t to -7, in which t is a notation for translation, and the coordinates describe how we are moving. +2 on the x-axis, in other words 2 to the right, and -7 on the y-axis, or down 7. Looking at the coordinates, each x-coordinate will increase by 2, and each y-coordinate will decrease by 7. So let's translate this triangle. I will start with coordinate E. Starting with E, we go 2 to the right and down 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we end up with 4, -4. Marking this E, we could go ahead and translate coordinate C. So we go 1, 2 to the right and down 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we end up with coordinate 6, -4. Marking the C, we now need to translate our final coordinate D. So first we go 2 to the right and then 7 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are left with coordinate 5, -2. I have written the new coordinates to our new translated triangle, and now we could go ahead and connect the triangle. And now we have successfully solved for the triangle CDE that undergoes translation to -7. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you know a little bit more about translating shapes. Thank you.